I'm really feeling confident in this wig, but I didn't always feel confident. And I know how it feels when you first start wearing a wig. The things that are on your mind. Oh my gosh, people are staring at my hair. They know I'm wearing a wig. They're looking at my hairline. I just know it. Well, guess what? They're not. Nobody really cares. They care more about themselves than they do about you and your hair. It took me a while to get to that point where I had that realization. Confidence didn't happen overnight for me, so I want to give you some tips. When I first start wearing wigs, I practiced at home first, wearing my wig around the house. And then when I decided to leave the house, I went to another town where no one knew me. And what I realized is no one was looking like I thought they were. I think confidence is a mindset, and confidence comes with taking risks. Just getting that wig for the first time, putting it on, and walking out the door, that is what starts to build your confidence. The more you wear your wig, the more confident that you're gonna feel. And today, I have so much confidence that I don't even care if anybody knows I'm wearing a wig. I love to wear wigs. So here's another tip. When you are thinking about your first wig, I suggest that you think about when your bio hair felt the best and you were the most confident. That's the picture you want in your mind when you pick your first wig that will make you feel most like yourself. That's a great way to start. And then from there, you can try different styles, different colors. We change our bio hair. We get our hair cut. Remember that it doesn't always have to be the same. It can evolve just like our bio hair. The more comfortable you get, the more confident you get, and the more styles that you're willing to try. At least that's how it's been with me. Now, somebody might ask you where you got your hair done, or it's beautiful. Who does your hair? You are under no obligation to tell them that it's a wig. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable. You can simply say thank you. When people ask me where I get my hair done, I usually say it's a wig because I'm confident. It doesn't bother me to tell people that I wear a wig. And also I never know what type of conversation that's gonna open up or who I can help. Confidence is a mindset. Confidence comes from within. Like I said, taking risks and growing helps you become more confident. If you think you are, you are. So if you think that you're confident and you look amazing and you go out with that mindset, that's how you're gonna feel. We're here for you, and thanks for watching.